Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from here that we are going to solve some question related to geometric progression and arithmetic progression. So what is given in the first question, if ABCD are in geometric progression, then show that this equal to this. So here comes the solution. ABCD are in GP. Okay, so let the common ratio be R of the GP series. So obviously D by C is equal to C by B is equal to B by A is equal to R. So from here if we calculate, that is B is equal to AR, C is equal to BR means AR square, and D is equal to CR means AR cube. Okay. So here my LHS is given. LHS is equal to A square B square C square into B square plus C square plus D square. It is given in LHS. Putting the value over here, that is A square plus B square, B means A square R square plus C square means A square R to the power 4, and B square means A square R square, C square means A square R to the power 4 plus D square means A square R to the power 6. Okay. Taking A square common from both, we are getting 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4. A square from here 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4, again taking R square common. Okay. Now so we are getting A to the power 4 R square 1 plus R square R to the power 4 whole square. That means A square R 1 plus R to the power 4 whole square. So this is the LHS. Next move to the RHS. RHS, what is given in the RHS? RHS given AB plus BC plus CD. Putting the value over here. So A is equal to A, B is equal to AR plus B is equal to AR, C is equal to AR square plus C is equal to AR square, D is equal to AR cube. Now from here we are getting A square R plus A square R cube plus A square R to the power 5. This obviously this is whole square. So we are writing here. Now if we take A square common over here, A square R common over here, we are getting 1 plus R to the power 4 whole square. So we are getting LHS equal to RHS. Proved. Hope you will understood. Next move to another question. The question is given second question. Question is given that ABCD are in geometric progression, then prove that these are also be in geometric progression. So I am just solving the rest of the part. ABCD are in geometric progression. Okay. So this we have already got. Now we have to show that A square minus B square minus C square and C square minus A square are in geometric progression. So that means my LHS should be C square minus A square by B square minus C square, and RHS should be B square minus C square by A square minus So next we are taking another question. As you can see that from here that if ABCD are in geometric progression, then so that a square minus b square, b square minus c square, c square minus d square are also in geometric progression. Okay. So here comes the solution. Since ABCD are in GP, therefore obviously D by C is equal to C by B is equal to B by A is equal to R, where R is the common ratio. So from here we are getting that B is equal to AR, C is equal to BR and D is equal to CR. That means D is equal to AR cube, C is equal to B R AR square and B is equal to AR if you calculate it. Okay. Now we have to show that LHS we are taking C square minus D square by B square minus C square. This is the LHS, and RHS we are taking B square minus C square by A square minus B square. We have to show the LHS equal to RHS, and we have already got the values of A, B, D, C and B in the term of A and R. Now from here C means A square R to the power 4 minus D means A square R to the power 6 divided by B square means A square R square minus C means A square R to the power 4. Taking A square R to the power 4 common, we are getting 1 minus R square. Here A square R square common, we are getting 1 minus R square. This and this cancelize, R square will be remaining here. Here also putting the value B square means A square R square from here minus C square means A square R to the power 4 divided by A square means only A square minus B square means A square R square. Now taking A square common from the above, A square R square should be common, 1 minus R square divided by A square common, 1 minus R square should be remaining here. So this can be cancelled R square. So as we can see, LHS equal to RHS, LHS equal to RHS proved. So we can say that, we can definitely say that A square minus B square minus C square and C square minus D square are also in geometry. Next move to another question. So in this question the pH term of an AP, pH term of the AP is equal to pH term of the AP is equal to A and QH term of the AP is equal to B. So we have to show that the P plus QH term. Okay. So for that, here comes the solution. Let the first term of that AP be capital A, okay, and common difference is capital D. We are taking that. So pH term, that means TP is equal to A plus, if it consists n terms, then TP should be A plus n minus 1 into d, okay, a plus, sorry, p minus 1 into d, not n minus 1, ps term, okay, tn should be a plus n minus 1 into d, and here ps term tp is equal to, and tq is equal to a plus q minus 1 into d here. From here tp, that is p, that is small a, ps term is small a is equal to a plus p minus 1 into d, and from here tq should be, that is b, that is equal to a plus q minus 1 into d. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2, now 1 minus 2, if we do that, a minus b is equal to p minus 1 minus q plus 1 into d, okay. So here a minus b is equal to 1 should be cancelled as p minus q into d. So d is equal to a minus b by p minus q. We get, so here twice a plus p plus q minus 1 into d is equal to a plus b plus d. Now putting the value of d, a plus b into by p minus q. Now tp plus q, p plus q term, that's equals to p plus q tp plus q, that means p plus q by 2 into twice a plus p plus q minus 1 into d, okay. That means p plus q by 2 into twice a plus p plus q minus 1 into d, means a plus b plus a minus b by p minus q. Proved. This we have to show, okay. So this we get by using, if we named it by the equation number 3 and this as equation number 4. So by using 3 in 4, this is by using 3 in 4, okay.